In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create awesome image-to-video meme cartoons just like this.
I'm Messi here. In 5 years, AI will be making offsite calls. Finally, a computer that can keep up with my runs.
Plus, stick around till the end to learn how to translate these videos into 40 different languages with perfect lip sync. Today's video is proudly sponsored by DupDub. Excited? Let's dive in!
Step 1. Creating the images. For this, first go to wonderartgenerator.com. I will leave the link of this website in the description. Now see properly, go to this explore section. Okay. And here give the character name whichever you want to create the meme of. I'm writing Messi because I am looking for Messi's character. Now, as soon as you type a character name, it will give you some suggestions. Now, you may choose as per your requirement. I'm choosing this one, so I will click on this. As soon as you click on this, you get two things. One is the prompt which has been used to create this particular image, and you also get some referral images. Otherwise, I am looking for this exact one, so I will go to this top left hand side corner, download button, and download it. Now, second thing which I like to do is I will copy the prompt from here. Why? That you will understand a little later. Now again I will go to the search bar and I will give Maradona. Okay. Let's suppose I am creating a meme series. I am looking for football. Now see, here is no image found for Maradona. Does that stop us? No. We will take the help of any other image generation tool. I am using a free image generation tool which is Leonardo AI. Now all I need to do is go to leonardo.ai. I will leave the link again in the description. And simply you go to this image generation option. Leonardo AI provides you 150 credits for free for each day. So after coming to image generation section, in the prompt section, you simply need to paste that particular prompt. And here just instead of Messi, I'll give suppose Maradona. Okay. And rest everything will remain same. Here left hand side, you just need to change the number of images whichever you want. I will stick to 2 images. You can go up to 4 images. In the fine-tuned model, you have different models including 3D animation model, but as far as my experience is concerned, a more realistic picture comes if you go for Albedo Best Excel, this particular model, this one. Okay. So anyway, I will take this model for the time being. Now here in the left hand side, I will not change anything else other than 16:9, which is broad ratio. Now after all this, I will go to generate option. In a while, they will generate 2 images as per my instruction. Like this, you see, I have got all these Maradona's images. Okay. And once the images are generated, well, I need this one as well. This is looking quite good. So I will go to the smooth upscale option and I will go to download option. This way, you can download as many as you want. Now let us move to the next part. Part 2, expanding the image and creating the lip sync. So for this, I am using Canva. You can use Canva free account as well. Once you log into Canva, you will have to either go to create design option and here you'll have to type YouTube video. Okay, you will get many YouTube videos ratio. You will have to go for 1920 into 1080 pixels. Otherwise, you can go to simply this video option and from here take these videos option 1920 into 1080. That's all. Now go to this upload section and upload your image whichever you have downloaded just now. Okay. Now at this moment I have downloaded this one and this one. Take this image and open it. It will come in my image section under upload. Okay. Now I will click and I will bring the image on the canvas. Now see properly. Go to this edit image option. You need to go for this magic expand option. Go to this whole page option. You have different other options, but we are going to use whole page as because we have already taken the ratio. And then magic expand. This is number 1. This is number 2, number 3, and number 4. So to be very precise, I like this one. I will go to this plus button. I will take that image which is ready. Now I will select it. Now I will go to this share button, download button. And from here we will select PNG. Check properly. We will not select MP4. Although we have taken video, we will not select MP4. For the time being, we will select PNG. From here, we will select both or either of it. Okay, I am selecting both, done, and in PNG, I will download both the images. We will be doing the lip sync with the help of DupDub. Now, in Canva itself, if you go to this app section and in the search bar you give DupDub, you get two options, Avatar by DupDub and AI Voice by DupDub. Okay, we will go to Avatar by DupDub. The same thing, you can use the link which has been given in the description box, and you can choose DupDub online website also. And only thing which you'll have to remember is you will have to use the same email ID, email account which you have used for Canva as well. You will come a little downwards. You can go to this. Either you can have select different avatars from here. Okay, that is also possible. Otherwise, for the time being, I am making a meme of this. So I will go to this plus button, and here I am taking Macy's character. Okay. I'm taking Macy's character. I will make Macy's pic first. See, as soon as I have taken, my Macy's figure is highlighted by purple box. That means this will be animated. Lip sync animation will be happening on this. Okay. Now let us move upwards. Okay. Paste the script. Okay. Here you can space up till 500 characters. Now style. You can choose style from here. I will choose cheerful. You can also alternatively upload an audio file that I'm going to show in my next part. Okay. Now go to text again. You can see here there is select voiceover option. Go to see all option. And here you have different types of voiceover. You can go to this filter also and you can select the language. These options. So you can play from here.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need.
So if you like that, select that and confirm. Once this is done, go to preview script.
Although.
Okay. So this preview is ready. Now you can go to this generate talking photo option in order to generate it.
AI in football. I hope it doesn't replace the hand of God with the hand of the bot.
Okay, while this is getting generated, let me show you in the main software of DupDub. Before we go to DupDub, you can check their monthly packages. It's only $15, by which you can get 150 credits. Go to dupdub.com to sign up with your Gmail or email account. Now go to AI avatar option the same way we have done there. Then directly go to upload, and I will be uploading Macy's image. Once uploading is done, from here you can again paste the text which you have just pasted. I will paste this. Now here you will go to this avatar option and you will get all these avatars here. You can choose by gender, male or female. I'm going to male gender, and I will be getting all these voices. So you can check one by one. So I would like to go for this one and then confirm. Okay. Once you confirm, you have different options. You can replace. You can crop, you can change the background, you can enhance the video. So I will keep the video enhancement toggle on. You also have uploading option. You may upload your own audio or else you can record as well. Go to generate talking avatar from here. So I will go to generate. Let us see, it is processing, you can see. Now see, the previous one is ready. You can go to this preview option in order to preview it. Otherwise go to these three dots and download the video. Okay, so this way you will have to create all your videos one by one. Now let us see what are the other things which you can do here. Go to home option, and here you have other options like you can create. We have explored AI avatar. We can also have AI voiceover. Only if you want to create AI voiceover you can do that. You can clone your own audio. Okay, you can change the language as well. You can do video translate. Now this one I want to show you. We have just created a video, right? So I will go to this, choose drag and drop option, check which are the formats, MP4 format, MOV format. These formats till 10 minutes are acceptable. So we'll go to this. I will just copy this Macy's video which we have just generated in English and translate it in some other language. So let it get uploaded first. So go to original language, select English, this one, and I will translate it in Hindi. I will keep lip synchronization on. If you want subtitle removal, you can remove subtitle, then translate the video. You can also proofread it, but I don't need it, and then confirm it. It will take 4.4 credits. Now all these things will come under these my project option. Now first let me go to this AI avatar option. See, my Maradona's video is also ready. I will go to these 3 dots and download the video. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
Hi, Messi here. In 5 years, AI will be making the offsite calls. नमस्कार, मेसी यहाँ. 5 साल में AI offsite call करेगा.
AI in football, I hope it doesn't replace the hand of God with the hand of the bot.
IA dans le football? J'espère qu'elle ne remplacera pas la main de Dieu par la main du bot.
I'll have a robot stylist to keep my hair perfect for all those goal celebrations.
Offriamo un'assistenza straordinaria e dedicata.
You can have the free trial for 3 days. You don't have to give any credit card information or anything. You can check their monthly packages. It's only $15 by which you can get 150 credits. Please try it. Try all the features of this software. And if you want to get a complete tutorial on DupDub, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely create a complete walkthrough of this wonderful software. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.